Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and the member of the jury, welcome. Welcome to the grand unveiling of a Team Cubics and our groundbreaking project, AbleGo, all-in-one cab service for specially abled citizens. Our mission is to address the problem of accessibility and comfort in ride hailing for people with disabilities who often face significant barriers to full community participation.
So these are the links of our working prototype, the demo link, the APK file link, and the GitHub repository link. You can also find all these links in the description.
Hi, this is Harsh from Team Cubics. So let us proceed to the proposed solution for defined problem statement. Presenting AbleGo, an all-in-one cab service for specially abled citizens with features related to special abilities such as blindness, hearing, and physical problems, with a great user interface and budget-friendly rides. Talking about the features which we will provide in AbleGo, users can choose their primary type of disability and avail all related services. Users can book their cabs instantly from voice commands. Users can select and book a wheelchair prior to their ride. You can book your cabs directly through phone calls through on-call booking. Get driver and your live location along with the voice assistance. Schedule ride. Schedule your ride to avoid delays and mishaps. Multiple payment. Multiple payment services such as UPI, Pay Later, Cash, Card will be provided for making the payments. Pay Later is a special feature introduced by AbleGo to avail the payment related service. Talking about the tech stack and frameworks which we have used to create AbleGo. Flutter as our primary cross-platform framework for Android and iOS development. Dart as our primary programming language. Firebase as backend as a service platform. Figma for collaborative design tool for creating user interface. WebSockets for bidirectional communication protocol. Mapbox API for mapping and location services integration. Razorpay as our payment gateway for seamless online transactions. Now talking about the UI and the features in the AbleGo app. So here user after registration will get to choose their type of disability along with the voice control button to use the app hands-free. Users can directly navigate through screens and give commands through voice through their commands, and they don't need to use the app by their touch. After choosing the disability, users can select services for a particular ride. Example, wheelchair, on and off boarding, driver with a sign language, and much more. Also, user will get a book with a call button to directly book their cabs through phone calls. Now, users will also get to set up their pay later service, which is a special service provided by AbleGo to allow users to pay their bills after the ride is ended and through some schemes. Users can add or remove their emergency contacts, which will be contacted in the time of SOS. After selecting the rides, user will get the list of all rides available for selected services along with the expected time arrival, cab category, and the expected fare. After the user has selected a particular ride, the main screen will show the live location from their source to destination. Users will get an SOS button which will alert their emergency contacts. On the select payment method option, we will get the Razorpay payment screen with multiple options such as UPI and other cards and pay later as well. Talking about the driver side UI, we have the first driver registration page, then the AbleGo's driver training program which provides training to drivers for handling the specially abled citizens. Then we have the driver main page where we have ride requests, the driver's income and other ratings as well. Talking about the user flow and the architecture. So this is the user flow of the AbleGo proposed app.
Hi, I am Raj. Let's talk about the implementation and effectiveness of our solution. AbleGo provides enhanced accessibility by tailored taxi services for individuals with disabilities. Increase independence by offering them autonomy and freedom to travel anytime. Improved social integration and better healthcare access. Talking about the scalability and market, establishing partnership with disability organization, cab drivers modify vehicles to be a wheelchair accessible model by begin with a pilot program in a specific region and gradually expansion by partnership with local taxi companies. The CAGR growth, which is compound annual growth, shows a hike of 10.08% in online ride-hailing markets during the period of 2023 to 2025. And online taxi service market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10%. Talking about the future aspects, we can have a driver training program to equip them with necessary skills to interact with disabled people by linking the service to the mainstream cab application like InDrive, partnership with accessible organization or with local disability advocacy groups. So this was our app, AbleGo.